Lawyers made arguments in Nova Scotia Supreme Court in a case launched by lobster harvesters who want a Mi'kmaq band's fishery declared illegal.
This is the fishermen of the Maritimes attempting to have those questions answered once and for all.
A case the First Nation, Sipekne'katik, told the court should be dismissed.
We're looking for summary judgment on the basis that they don't have standing and that the claim is bound to fail, in effect.
5 years ago, Sipekne'katik started its own lobster fishery in southwest Nova Scotia outside the regulated season. There were violent confrontations, injuries, and a fish plant was torched. The federal government at the time said it could only work with First Nations to manage the Indigenous harvest.
We cannot, as a government, tell First Nations what a moderate livelihood is.
That moderate livelihood wasn't defined in a Supreme Court ruling once cited by band members as permission to fish under the band's own management plan. A group representing commercial harvesters argues that muddied the waters and it wants clarity.
When you don't have clear rules around moderate livelihood, you get chaos. And we've seen what chaos looks like.
Sipekne'katik is an outlier here. The majority of First Nations are choosing to fish within season and pursue agreements with the federal government.
Sipekne'katik had filed a lawsuit against the federal government in 2021, arguing Ottawa's fisheries rules infringe on band rights. But it abruptly dropped the case this summer. Talks with Ottawa, though, haven't gone well. The band stating a recent meeting with the fisheries minister showed, quote, unwillingness to acknowledge and respect our constitutionally protected treaty and Aboriginal rights. In a statement, the minister's office says Joanne Thompson is willing to talk. However, no agreements have been reached. Sipekne'katik's chief did not respond to an interview request. Heidi Petracek, Global News, Halifax.